choo. Look at that, Noah. Look. Choo choo.
Once we have stopped conductors, we'll be taking their way down to open the gates and place the capsules on the ground for you. Allow only the conductors to do this and do not open the gates. Place the stools or leave from the train. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, do not open the gates, place the stools or leave from the train. Make sure to gather all of your personal belongings and take your smaller children by the hand. Utilize both of the yellow handrails when you're waiting on the stairs and walk your last step. Please remember that you'll be stepping off.
Look at the caboose, Noah. Look. Look at that, Noah. Choo choo. Look at the choo choo. No, there's only one. That's it. See? No, there's just one. See? There's only one. There's only one. Ele quer outro? Só tem uma, homem.
Ó, look at this.
Ó.
Oh, isn't it? Where are you going? Huh? Let's go find Baba. Come on. This way, Noah. Come on, let's go. Are you hungry? Do you want a yogurt or something? Yeah? Don't want to hold Mommy's hand?
No. He's free. Wants to be free.
Hey. What was going on there? Fecha o portão todo dia, toda hora. Wanna go see the pumpkin stuff over there? Remember all the